Section 1. What is the DLAB test? The DLAB test is like a puzzle. It helps us see how well you can learn new languages. This is important for jobs that need you to learn quickly. Think of diplomats or intelligence officers. They use languages every day. The test has two main parts, audio and visual. These parts test different skills. The audio section focuses on your listening and understanding. The visual section checks how well you see patterns and solve problems. The DLAB is not easy, but don't worry, with practice and the right approach you can succeed. Remember, even the most complex languages are just codes waiting to be broken. Section 2. Deciphering the sounds, the audio section. Imagine listening to a brand new language. That's what the audio section is all about. You'll hear sounds and words you've never heard before. Don't panic. The goal is to find patterns. Listen for repeated sounds. Pay attention to where verbs are placed. Try to understand the basic structure of the language. It's like piecing together a jigsaw puzzle of sounds. Active listening is key. Don't just hear the sounds. Try to make sense of them. Imagine you're an explorer charting a new world. Every sound is a clue to understanding this new language. Section 3. Cracking the code, the visual section. The visual section is all about patterns and logic. Think of it as a visual puzzle. You'll see symbols and images that represent words and grammar. Pay close attention to the order of the symbols. Just like in English, word order matters. Look for clues that tell you what the symbols mean. It's like learning a secret code. Don't be afraid to draw connections. See if you can find relationships between the symbols and their meanings. The more you practice, the easier it will become to decode the visual language. Section 4. Bringing it to life, examples in action. Let's say you hear the sounds be and da repeated in the audio section. Then you hear the sound ka at the end of some phrases. You might guess that ka is a question marker in the visual section. Imagine seeing a square always appearing before a circle. This could mean the square represents an adjective and the circle represents a noun. It's all about making these connections. Remember, the DLAB is not about memorizing, it's about using your logic and reasoning skills to decipher a new language. Focus on understanding the underlying structure and patterns. Section 5. Preparing for takeoff. Practice and confidence. The key to acing the DLAB is practice. There are plenty of resources available online and in libraries. Find practice tests and study materials. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with the format and types of questions. Don't be discouraged if you find it challenging at first. Learning a new language takes time and effort. Stay positive and focus on your progress. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Remember, confidence is key. Believe in your ability to learn and adapt. You have the potential to succeed on the DLAB. Section 6. Reaching for the stars, your DLAB success. The DLAB is just one step in your journey. It's a doorway to exciting opportunities and challenges. By mastering the skills tested in the DLAB, you're opening yourself up to a world of possibilities. Imagine yourself confidently communicating in a new language. Think of the doors that will open, the connections you'll make, and the experiences you'll have. Your DLAB success is within reach. Embrace the challenge, put in the work, and watch as you unlock your full potential. The cosmos of language awaits.